Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to place orders in Go charting. So first thing is we need to connect to our broker. So if you click on here, you will find there is a list of brokers. Okay. So I have already connected with Fyers. If you want to connect any other broker, you can search the related video on YouTube, type the name of your broker and Go charting connection. So you will get a related video on how to connect your broker with Go charting. We are also going to make a complete video shortly in which we will explain all the brokers connection in a single video. Alright, so after the broker is connected, let me get you familiarized with all the buttons which are related to order placement and our ledger section. Then we will place the real live orders and we'll see how it goes. So first, let's go to the settings. Here, there are two important settings. One is trading settings and another is broker setting. First, let's talk about the trading settings. You can see all these settings here, like you can see the executions, you can listen the beep sound on executions, show open orders, show notification, all these settings. Here there is an interesting option. It is called enable quick trade mode. I will keep on explaining about it during the video. Then we have broker setting. Now here my broker is Fyers. Here I have chosen the product type as intraday and this is set as default. Now disclosed quantity is 0. If we want to place orders after market is closed, we also call it after market orders. So we can switch it on for offline orders. And if you want to place the iceberg orders, we can set the settings here. We have already explained about iceberg order, how to place iceberg order in a separate video. You can refer to that video in our channel. Now after these settings, let's go to actual buy and sell buttons. Now here we can see the same setting in the trading panel. So we can see the product type is selected as intraday. The disclosed quantity is 0, same as here. Offline order is off and iceberg legs is 0. Alright, so this was related to the broker configuration in the trading panel. Now the other settings in the trading panel are prices, quantity, lots. So we have an option to set these as default, the quantity as well as lots. Please make sure that you have selected correct quantities or lot sizes according to the trading instruments. Sometimes your order will get cancelled if you have put wrong quantity here or you have put the wrong lot size here. So the best practice is to make your lots and quantity as default for those stocks in which you trade frequently, and the default quantity will be set differently for different trading instruments. Then here we have sell orders and buy orders. If we click on sell, it will go for sell orders. If we click on buy, it will go for buy orders. The same thing can be accessed by these buy buttons or the sell button. Now each sell and buy have 4 options. Suppose I click on sell, it has 4 options: limit sell, market stops and limit stop for the sell orders. If I click on the buy button, we have limit buy, we have market buy, and for buy we have stop market orders and we have a stop limit. Now how to place the real trades, we are going to explore it shortly, but before that let me show you some other features. Now please see the current market price is this, which is 513.90. Now if I right click anywhere above the current market price, I am getting the 4 options, which is sell limit, sell market, buy stop and buy stop limit. So I'm getting 2 kind of stop orders, which is buy market stop, buy limit stop, and where I click it will accordingly take the prices. I'm also getting the sell limit and sell market. So please watch it carefully. Now I am going to click below the current market price and here I'm getting just the reverse. So I'm getting the buy limit, buy market, sell stop means sell market stop as well as sell stop limit orders. So where I have clicked accordingly it has picked the price. So if I click on any of this option, it will open the trading panel. which is same as clicking on these buttons. I can again fill the prices here. Now here is one important thing to tell. Suppose I am going to the setting, I'm going to the trading setting, and I'm enabling quick trade mode as on. Now let me right click above the current market price, and now I am not getting buy stop limit option. Okay, and also if I click below the current market price, I am also not getting the sell stop limit. Now there is one more difference I wanted to tell you. Suppose if I click on buy limit and I click on this, now the order will get executed directly. Okay, and if I cancel it, the order will get cancelled. And now if I switch it off, and now if I place the buy limit order, this trading panel will open, right? So basically I wanted to show you the enable quick trade mode option, what it does. Now there is one more important thing. For options trading, market stop orders either for buy or sell, they are not allowed. However, limit stop orders for options are allowed. On the other hand, we can have both market stop order and limit stop order for stocks and other scripts. So suppose I right click here. So these buy stop, this will not work for options, but this will work for options. So if we are trading in options, we need to make sure that we are not clicking this button, but we are clicking on stop limit. However, if you are trading with stocks and other instruments, we can use both the options. So you need to check which order is allowed by NSE, otherwise it will get rejected. Now let us come to our ledger section. Here we have various tabs as my trades, my orders, my positions, my balance, and my holdings, right? So my trades will show you all the executed trades. Okay, my orders, it will show you all the orders whichever have been executed or whichever are cancelled or whichever are pending. So you can see the status from here. In my position, you will see your profit and loss, the average fill price, and all those things. My balance will show you whatever the balance you have in your account, and my holdings will show you how many shares you have in your demat account. Now for each of these tabs we have this field list. Okay, so suppose for my orders, here we have various kind of field list. So here there is an important field list, it is called reason. So if your orders are getting rejected or if you are facing any problems in fulfilling your orders, this reason will tell you what is the reason for which your orders are getting rejected. We also have the trade setting, which I have already explained in the setting option. So these are show execution, beep on execution, show positions, and all those things. Then from here, you can publish your profit and loss statement. You can create a link and you can either make it public or you can make it private. Here we have both the options. Then we have one click option. It is for simply market orders. So if you click on one click, you will see the sell and buy. If you click on this, these buy and sell orders will get executed on market price. The trade option is same as the trading panel we were accessing from these buy and sell button. So the trading panel has come. If you want to buy or sell, you can select it from here and fill accordingly. Now let's put the actual trades and see how we can put orders. Now let's put an actual buy order for Tata Motors. So I can buy it either from here. Suppose I want to buy it at a limit price of 512. So I can simply put 512 here and I can simply click for buy. Now here it is showing order placed successful. I close it and now I can see a line which is showing me limit by 512. If I want to modify it, I simply click on here and I can slide this. So I have slided it here. Now this panel has come. Now if I click on modify, my order will get modified. So it is 508 now. Now let us look these things in the ledger. You can see in my orders, we have this open order and the limit type is limit and the price is 508.1. Now if I want to delete my order, I simply close it here. It will cancel. Let me show you in the ledger. It is showing as cancelled. I can also place the same orders by simply right clicking below the current market price. Now if I right click here, this is showing buy limit. I click on here, this trading panel will come. Limit order is already filled 508.70 and I can place the same order. I can also place this market order. So suppose I want to buy it at market price, quantity is 1, lot is 1. So let me put a market order for Tata Motors. Order placed successful and this is my order ID. Now I have got this Tata Motors at market price. Now I have this share in my positions. So now let's check in the ledger. Here we have trade. This is showing as filled. Whatever my trade is showing, my trades is showing this buy order 513.8. Time is just now 00 minute ago. And here it is my positions. It is showing PNL 0.65, my balance and my holdings. So all those things can be checked. Now I have already bought this share. So I can do three things. First thing I can do is I can set a target order. Suppose I want to sell it when I'm getting profit here. So I can simply right click here and I can sell limit 519, right? So this is my target price. If Tata Motors goes to 519, I'll book my profit. But suppose if Tata Motors start going downward, so I need to set my stop loss. Here I can either sell stop market price or I can sell stop limit price. So I'm just putting sell stop and it is successful and my stop loss order has been put. Now at any point of time I can modify these orders. So now I'm modifying my stop loss orders. So this is modified. I can also modify my target order like this. So this is modified. Now suppose I do not want to wait for stop loss or the limit sell order or my target order. I just simply want to sell it at the market price, right? So first of all, I will cancel these orders. So these orders are cancelled. My stop loss and my target orders are cancelled. Now if I want to close this position, see my position profit and loss will be shown here. I can simply click on this cross and it will automatically exit the position. So this position is closed. And if I go to ledger, here in my orders, see it is filled. I have bought it at 513.85 and it is sold at 513.05. Now let's explore other options. So here, if I am placing a market stop order, I do not need to think of much. Simply I need to put single price of 507 or whatever price I want to put for market stop orders. But if I am putting stop limit orders, I need to give here two prices. One is limit price and another is stop price. So stop price is basically our trigger price and limit price is the limit by which you want the order to be executed. Okay. So in case of sell limit orders, stop price will be greater than limit price. Why? Because the trigger will happen before and the limit will be below the trigger price. So limit price will be less than the stop price. In case of buy stop limit orders, limit price will be greater than stop price. Here I want to tell one more thing. Many queries come where traders want to buy a stock when it has crossed a certain limit or sell a stock when it has crossed a certain threshold price level. So in that case, suppose you want this Tata Motors to buy when it crosses 518. You have to place the stop orders. Either you can place stop limit orders or you can place stop market orders. Similarly, if you want to sell Tata Motors after it crosses 5110, say for example, so you have to place either sell stop order, that is sell stop market order, or you can place sell stop limit order, which is like this. So this is particularly useful for those traders who are breakout or breakdown traders. So I hope I could explain you how to place orders in the Go charting. Thank you guys.